It is designed particularly to treat with those persons who are not yet registered in one way, shape, or form, or are beneficiaries of the existing social safety net programs. And the social safety net programs are extensive, whether it is PATH, whether it is the social housing, whether it is the tourism pension, whether it is the soon to be rolled out employment insurance, whether it is all the programs that we have on the PATH, whether it is what we do through the HEART NSTA, the Jamaica National Service Corps, all kinds of programs are there to give support to the Jamaican citizen at the different stages of their life cycle. But if you are not a part of any of them, then we are very concerned that there could be growing alienation in the society, that there could be this pervading and pervasive view that not now go on, which leads to a negative outlook on life, which is self-fulfilling.